Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So let's open the settings application and after that scroll down to the system settings. After that scroll a little bit down and now we can see here the developer options section. If the developer options deactivated, you'll see here this section, and to hide them you should click once here, and just to hide them click once on this swatcher, and now we can see that all of the options they are blocked, and when we'll go back again to the system settings we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.